Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market, the financial markets, my friends. My name is Mr. Orange. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a retail investor, a YouTuber. This is for information and entertainment purposes only. And my friends, what do we see? CD Projekt again, another day with a big green candle up. So 3.38% closing today at the Warsaw Stock Exchange, 145 Polish zlotys. Wow, guys. And we really broke through the Fibonacci retracement where I talked about last time. So now it seems we are going up to against, let's hope it's not really a resistance line, but 145 zlotys, very interesting. So if we can break through this, so we definitely on a good path again. So do I recommend to invest in this, guys? I don't recommend anything on this channel. So I'm just giving you some information, guys, on what this is based on. What is this based? So this is based on The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt arrives on next gen this December, or maybe it's based on this. I mean, we knew this is going to happen, so probably it's not really based on this. But on the other hand, guys, so next gen free update, The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt next gen free update. So I mean, this is a game which already looked fantastic, and now we're going to get it also for Xbox Series XS, PC, and the PlayStation 5 as a complete edition on the 14th of December. So I'm definitely looking forward to this, and I can actually I would buy this game then again. I think I'm going to get this game myself. So no, it's a free update, so I'm not buying it, so of course. But what I'm saying now, I'm going to get this then as a free update, and this is going to be cool. So enhanced with the power of next-gen consoles and modern PC hardware in mind, the upcoming release will feature dozens of virtual performance and technical enhancement over the original, and it's CD Projekt, and I'm sure they can really pull this off because they're really good in great graphics. So these include ray tracing support, faster loading times on consoles, as well as a variety of mods integrated into the experience, among many others, along with new additional content inspired by the Witcher series from Netflix. So new additional content as well. These will be covered next week in a dedicated Red Streams event on Twitch, where the studio will present gameplay from the next gen version of their game. The next gen version of Witcher 3 will be available for purchase digitally on PlayStation 5, featuring all free DLC released to date and both major expansions. Moreover, a free next-gen update will be available for everyone who owns any release of the game already for PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and PC. So okay, so you can buy it and it's going to be free. So that's not really clear. So oh my god, that's a bit confusing. A physical edition will be released also later. So in addition to the next gen releases, the PS4, Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch version of Witcher 3 will also receive an update featuring numerous additions and improvements, as well as the Netflix Witcher themed additional content. So if I understand this correctly, so you can still buy it for PlayStation 5, Xbox Series S, and the PC as a new game, but there will also be an update or a free next-gen update if you already own the game. So this is how I understand this. So this is kind of big news. This means definitely for PlayStation 5, a lot of people might go and buy this game again. So that's I'm underlining this again. So they might have it on PlayStation 4, but they're going to buy it then for the PlayStation 5. They might have it on the Xbox One, but they're going to buy it for the Xbox Series X or S. If they have it already on PC, I understand it is, then you not really need to buy it. Then you get just a next gen update, but you can also still buy, of course, the new Witcher 3 version. So guys, this is great news, and does it really have this impact now on the stock? It's difficult to say, but overall we see a positive momentum in the stock. I mean, guys, you have to imagine we were coming from 25 zlotys, and now we're up 104 to 145 zlotys, almost up 50%, since the bottom. So people that were saying, I'm selling now all my CD Projekt Red stocks because I'm going to lose all the money. Yeah, guys, of course, it's your decision. You were probably calling it right for yourself, but on the other hand, my friends, stocks always come back. So that's what I'm saying. So I'm here for the long run. So, and I'm sure we're going to see much higher prices for one share of CD Projekt Red. And with that, I'm leaving it here. So actually, I wanted to talk about another gaming stock, about Square Enix, but yeah, I will do this then tomorrow. So today was again just a CD Projekt Red day, so you know the story, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye.